Are there limiting beliefs in your life that no longer serve you and hold you back from living an authentic and fulfilling life? Would you like to form a new identity which allow you to expand, grow, and transform? Today, I will guide you through a meditation. It helps you to form the new, expanded, inspiring belief where you can truly live an authentic and fulfilling life with confidence, self-love, and resilience. Now, before we start, take a moment to find a quiet and comfortable space. Sit down, perhaps with a cushion below your sitting bone. Check in and see if your spine is upright. Relax your shoulders and relax the muscles in your face. When you're ready, close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths with me. Inhale from your nose. Pause for a moment. Exhale from your mouth slowly. Again, inhale from your nose. Hold for a second. Exhale from your mouth slowly. Last one, inhale from your nose. Exhale slowly from your mouth. Release any tensions that in your body. Now take a moment to reflect on the old belief that you wish to let go, such as, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy of love. And then spend some time to think about the new belief that you wish to integrate into your life. It could be about self-worth, abundance, confidence, or anything else that resonates with you. Now imagine yourself as a delicate plant rooted in a small and old pot. This pot represents your previous identity, the beliefs and patterns that have shaped you until now. Now I invite you to take a moment to appreciate this pot. Send love and acknowledgement to its role in your growth up until today. Now visualize a gentle hand lifting you out of the small pot and placing you into a larger, more spacious new pot. This new pot symbolizes your readiness to embrace new beliefs and experiences. Feel the fresh soil surrounding your roots, providing nourishment and support. Feel the space around you, which allows your roots to grow deeper and wider. Now as you are in your new pot, I invite you to repeat this new belief you'd like to integrate in your life silently to yourself, and feel its truth resonating with you fully in your body. Repeat these new beliefs to yourself for 3 more times. As you settle into your new pot, visualize your roots stretching out and anchoring deeply and firmly in the soil. Consciously allow your beliefs to grow and expand, supporting your deepest desires and aspirations. While you're breathing, gently challenge any lingering perceptions from your old identity. With each breath, letting the new belief growing deeper in you. And with each breath out, allowing the old belief to dissolve and making ways for new growth and expansion. Feel yourself taking positive actions that reinforce your new belief. Perhaps learning a new skill, travel to a new place, forming strong relationships, practicing self-love, whatever actions that resonates with you and move you towards the new belief. See you are taking actions and nurturing yourself and your growth, cultivating new habits that support your journey. Now follow me for a final 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the breath nurturing your entire being, and exhale fully through your mouth, releasing any remaining tension. And repeat 2 more times on your own pace. Now coming back to your normal breathing rhythm, I invite you to place your hands over your heart center. It's where the compassion and love reside. Feel the warmth and love radiating from within you. Take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for embracing this opportunity for growth and transformation. Now when you're ready, gently open your eyes. May you carry this sense of expansion and possibility within you into the rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm your wellness coach, Ling. I help busy professionals to combat burnout and live an authentic and fulfilling life. If you like this content, consider to subscribe and perhaps share this with a friend of you. Until next time.